Okay, guys, I know that Miss HS did all this stuff with you last year, and this is a review, but it's really a review of terms. I want to make sure we're all on the same page. Okay? So, we're talking right now about the coordinate plane. We can thank that guy right there on the wall, Rene Descartes, right, for giving this to us, the Cartesian plane. It's called Cartesian plane as well, and it's named after him, Descartes, or the Cartesian plane. All right? And a coordinate plane is this thing right here. Okay, it has an x and y axis. It's a plane because it's just two-dimensional, right? It doesn't have three dimensions to it. It has length and it has height, but it doesn't have depth. It doesn't have, this thing going back like this, right? Okay. So that's the coordinate plane. An ordered pair, guys, let's get used to that. An ordered pair is always in the same order. Thus the name. Ordered pair. It always is the x coordinate and then the y coordinate. Okay? They give us x, then they give us y. The first number is always the what, Fritz? Today, Fritz, I'm getting old. The first coordinate, the first number is always the x. Thank you, Fritz. And the second number is always the, Albert, y. Now, sometimes, guys, they give us equations. They don't give us x and y. They give us a and b. They give us p and q, r and s, s and t. It's always alphabetical, though. The first letter that comes up in the alphabet stands for the first number. Okay? But the standard variables for the coordinate plane are x for the x-axis and y for the y-axis. Okay? X tells us side to side. Y tells us up and down. Okay? Now, we're going to see a scatter plot later. But a scatter plot deals with real-world data. Okay? And we plot it on a graph to see if we can notice any trends that are happening. Okay? Are the numbers always going up? Are they always going down? Are they all over the place and we can't figure out anything from it? Okay? That could also happen. All right? Let's see. What else do we need to talk about? We talked about coordinate plane. Guys, the x-axis, like I told you just a second ago, the x-axis goes from side to side, left to right. It is the horizontal, like the horizon. Yes, side to side. And then the y-axis runs up and down. It is the vertical. Okay? This spot right here, where the two axes intersect, is called the what, Zach? Trigo? Not the center. It is in the center, but it has a name. It's where everything begins. Right? Alex? Not 0. Its coordinates are 0, 0, 0x, 0y. But it has a name. That point has a special name. It's where everything begins. Nico? It's not the vortex. Okay, that strikes me as like some kind of Star Trek term, And it's not the vertex, which is the point where the two rays of an angle meet. Okay? What do you have for me, Nicholas? It is the origin. It is where things originate. It's where points begin, right? Okay? And let's keep going. So we talked about origin now also. Guys, we have a quadrant because the axes, they divide the plane into 4 right? Into 4 quadrants. These quadrants are numbered and named in counterclockwise fashion. This is quadrant 1, Roman numeral 1. We always write the Roman numeral. Why? I don't know. Roman numeral 2, Roman numeral 3, Roman numeral 4. Quadrants 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? And then let's see. I've got 35 seconds. We'll go to, I'll use another one to finish this one up. Okay? So we dealt with the quadrants. All right, I'm going to deal with the ordered pair and the coordinates in the next video.